friends. I am Keshav Sai Pentapati and this is Nishant Pentapati. I am research scholar hailing from Rajasthan. I want to share my knowledge imparted from JNTU Hyderabad, IIT Mumbai, JNU New Delhi and Kendriya Vidyalayas Hyderabad. My guide is Dr. Babita Verma, who is a doctorate in chemistry from IIT Kanpur and presently working as a postgraduate teacher in Kendriya Vidyalaya, Hyderabad. Also, my another guide, Dr. Henk de Weger, a Dutch scientist. Thirdly, my other guide, Dr. Richard Gautier, a professor from England. I am very happy to be a student guided by another professor from Netherlands, Dr. Frank van de Bovenkamp. All the above professors are guides who did research on microvita and they provided by my beloved Gurudev, Sri P.R. Sarkar, a Kolkata-based Indian scientist, philanthropist, great philosopher, educationalist, economist, and a great social reformer forever. What is microvita? We all know that the entire universe is created by matter. We also know that the matter has energy. It is of different types like potential energy or kinetic energy, etc. When we divide the matter, the smallest particle we get is called as a molecule. When the molecule is divided, we get the minutest particle, which is called as atom. And when the atom is further divided, it is divided into electrons, protons and neutrons. We are presently believing the electron is the utmost final particle, which cannot be still further divided. But in 1960s, Dr. Sri P.R. Sarkar propounded a theory called microvita theory. Of course, in the year 1986, he gave the world by writing his concept in a book named Microvita in a Nutshell. What is the concept of microvita? Friends, I am happy to announce that this electron also can be split up further as the minutest particle. They can be as microvita. We call microvita in singular and microvita as plural in plural. The entire science what we are following today is based on the formation of electron. Thinking that this is the minutest particle, but the emergence of microvita as the minutest particle, it brings the revolutionary and radical changes in all fields of science and technology. All the definitions what we are following today should be redefined. All the formulas what are we following today should be reformulated. It is really a challenge to the modern science. We have microvita belonging to the three categories, which is the first one is positive or friendly microvita. The second one is negative or harmful microvita. The third one is neutral microvita. According to the Dutch microvita researcher Henk de Weger, microvita are tiny creative catalyzing agents. They build atoms of matter, biology and mind while cooperating with the characteristics of subatomic particles and pure energy. The scholar Richard Gautier highlighted the involvement of microvita in the organization of energy, the creation and maintenance of structures. In connection with quantum field theory, another researcher from Netherlands, Frank van de Bovenkamp, suggests that the scholar field as a special type of quantum field. Not only gives mass the elementary particles, but on top of the produces subtle vibrations which appear to possess certain characters of microvita. I am very happy to bring your kind and notice that the proposal of microvita theory these days is now on established hypothesis now. This is the concept of microvita theory was presently incorporated as an academic subject in many universities like in US, in UK, Australia, etc. I am proud to say that this concept of microvita got appreciation and applauses from former President of India, Dr. Abdul Kalam. This theory was also appreciated by Sri C. Padmanabha Reddy, who is the father of C. Praveen Kumar Reddy, who is Chief Justice of High Court, Andhra Pradesh. Our beloved Honorable Vice President of India, Sri Venkaiah Naidu, and Sri Venkataramana, who is Chief Justice of Supreme Court of India. Also appreciated this concept. Thank you.